You know, I think we'll enjoy this film. I've watched all of his films in the past, and I was taken in for a blast.
Uy, Cheska! Space, unskip. Cheska!
Nag-ayaya si Chandler manood ng sine.
Ay, sakto yayayain din kita eh. Palabas na kasi yung labs kita kahit Jologs ka pa.
Jologs? Sounds rubbish, eh?
Uy, pare, maganda yun ah. Tungkol yun sa dalawang taong nagmamahalan na kahit langit at lupa yung agwat nila. Sa bandang huli, ipaglalaban nila yung isa't isa.
Well, maybe it's nice, but I might not understand it. My Tagalog isn't that good.
Well, may Carabao English is good, but may Tagalog is excellent.
What did you say?
Wala. Alam mo, pare, ikaw, Pilipino ka naman, di ba? Dapat nag-aaral ka na mag-Tagalog. Tsaka, alam mo, may kasabihan dyan si Dr. Jose Rizal, eh. Ang taong hindi marunong magmahal sa...
Okay na. That's a good point. Pero, tama rin naman si Chandler. Baka hindi niya maintindihan kung yan yung papanoorin natin. Baka pwede naman natin i-try panoorin kung ano yung gusto niya.
Yeah, we should watch it. It's a European film based in the medieval era. It's about the relentless love story of a king and his muse upon war. Socio-political unrest.
Wow. Grabe yung nosebleed dyan. Hindi kaya paglabas ng sinihan, duguan na ako.
What?
Alam mo kasi pare, wala naman makaka-relate dyan sa political na yan. Tapos may gera pa ang taas. Ang importante sa magandang love story is yung puso. Diba? Tapos, yung magwawagi yung tunay pagmamahal.
Well, how can you argue with something so important and historical?
Historical na pala eh. Hindi tapos na. Ang importante yung ngayon. Diba, Cheska?